I'm trying to get this one where it'll blow a little more. I don't like when wind chimes lean against something, because then, like when they lean like this, because then they don't ring as much. Let's see. Is there anything Alright, I got it hanging a little better than it was. By the way, this is not the original clapper. I think I got it from another wind chime. I lost the other one. This is the older festive chime. It sounds a lot better than the new one, I think, because it sounds like it's much more in key, the old one. This one just says, I don't know, I just don't think it sounds as good to me. That's my opinion, though. Oh, here comes the wind. My neighbors across the street has a Corinthian Bells 44-inch too. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there behind that column or whatever. The swing is there, and then to the right of it, you can kind of see it swinging. But the thing on it is too high, so it doesn't ring that well. Like the wind catcher is too high, so it bangs against the chimes, and you can hear that, but you can't hear the notes very well. You ever notice how it's more windy out here than it is in the backyard? I should just move all the music of the Spheres chimes out here. I might do that one day, if I can find a place to hang them. This chime's kind of tangled a little bit. There we go. Hang on a second. Alright guys, I untangled this chime because I don't think you've ever heard it properly. There we go. I might have to move it. That's one thing I do not like about these kind of chimes. They get tangled very easily. So I might have to move it somewhere where it's not as windy. In fact, hang on. Alright guys, so I did some rearranging. So this chime is here now because it's not as windy right here, so it won't get tangled as easily. But it still rings. And that octopus chime that was hanging there is now here. I just moved it a little higher so my dogs don't run into it and break it. Another reason why I should move these, this keeps hitting the swing. This one not as bad, but that one does all the time.